this lesson. Today, we're going to set up your AI-powered affiliate business. And I will walk you through a complete example of how to launch a simple affiliate system. Even if you have zero audience, no website, and no products of your own, affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. You promote tools or resources you believe in, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, you don't need to spend hours writing content, researching ideas, or building funnels. You can plan and launch your first affiliate post in a single day and repeat it as many times as you want. By the end of this video, you will have a niche, an affiliate product to promote, your first piece of content written with AI, and a simple system you can use to grow your affiliate income over time. Before we create anything, let's start with the foundation. It's your niche and your product. A niche is simply the group of people you want to help or target. You don't need to overthink it. Just pick an audience you relate to or enjoy talking about. For example, freelancers, creators, coaches, small business owners, or even virtual assistants. Then ask yourself, what's one problem this audience wants to solve? Are they overwhelmed with content, struggling to organize their business, wasting time doing repetitive tasks? Once you know that, you can find an affiliate product that solves it. Ideally, it's something you already use or understand. What you are looking for is a product that solves a specific problem, a commission rate of 30% or higher, or recurring monthly payouts, a landing page that's clear and benefits focused, something you can easily talk about or you feel aligned. You can download the list of high-paying AI affiliate programs PDF from this lesson, such as the Partner Stack or Impact. There are thousands of brands on those platforms for you to choose from. So check out the popular affiliate platforms and explore different products that offer great commission rates. Once you have found a tool that fits, grab your affiliate link and save it in a simple tracker, like a Notion page or a Google Sheet. This will help you stay organized as you grow. You only need one tool to start with, so don't sign up for everything. Focus on solving one problem for one person with one product. Alright, now that we've picked your niche and affiliate product, the next step is to use ChatGPT to plan out the content. For this demo, I'm going to pretend I'm promoting a fictional product called Flowdesk AI. And it's a tool that helps freelancers automate their client onboarding process. You can replace the product with the actual product you choose. Let's say my audience is freelance designers, and the problem they are dealing with is spending too much time emailing clients and collecting project info manually. So here's the prompt I will use inside ChatGPT. Act like a content strategist for freelancers. Give me 5 content ideas that show how Flowdesk AI can help freelance designers save time and automate their client onboarding. Focus on helpful and problem-solving content, not just promotional copy. You can see it gives me ideas like how to create a seamless content client onboarding workflow in under 30 minutes, the 5 most time-consuming onboarding tasks for freelance designers, and how to automate them. Plug and play, download my automated client welcome sequence, before and after my freelance client onboarding. These are exactly the kind of helpful one-first topics that make people curious and ready to commit. You can do this for any affiliate product you choose. Just replace the audience and the problem in the prompt. Once you have 3 to 5 strong content angles, pick one to start with. Let's write the content using ChatGPT and refine it so it feels like something you would actually post. I will choose this title as an example here. Let's say, write a short blog style post for freelance designers. The topic is, here paste the topic you choose. Make it clear, helpful, and personal. Add a soft call to action at the end to try Flow Desk AI. Use my affiliate link. Let's run that and see what we get. If you are a freelance designer, you know that client onboarding can sometimes feel like a full-time job itself. The emails, the forms, the follow-ups. Before you even open up Figma, you've already lost hours to admin tasks. I've been there, and I know how easy it is to get stuck in the loop. It's not bad, the structure is solid, and it's simple, transparent, and value-focused. But this is just the beginning for you to create great content. You can ask ChatGPT to write content based on where you are posting it. For example, if this is a blog post, I can ask expand content for, here paste the section title. And you can ask it to expand all the sections one by one. You can also make the tone sound more like you. Then replace the affiliate link with your actual link. And that's it, your content is ready. Now that your affiliate content is written and polished, it's time to publish and give it a chance to start working for you. You don't need to post everywhere. You can start with one platform where your audience already hangs out. That could be a LinkedIn post if you are targeting service providers, a short form video if you are comfortable with TikTok or Reels, a blog or Medium article if you prefer writing, or even a quick newsletter to your email list. The key is to get it out there, even if it feels imperfect. That first post is the beginning of your affiliate engine. You can also take the content you just created and turn it into 2 to 3 additional formats using ChatGPT. Then you can add your affiliate link to the content when posting it. And remember, affiliate content doesn't need to go viral. It just needs to show up consistently, solve one clear problem, and make the next step easy. And that's what you are doing here. Once your content is live, it's tempting to move on and just keep creating more. But affiliate marketing becomes powerful when you track what's actually working and double down on it. You don't need a fancy dashboard to do this. Just start a simple tracker using Notion or Google Sheets. Here's what I recommend keeping track of: your affiliate product name, your unique affiliate link, the platform you post the content on, such as LinkedIn, blog, YouTube, the title or content type, date posted, clicks, if available from the affiliate platform, sales or commissions earned, and the notes, what performed well and what could improve. Because you are building data that compounds. Over time, you will start seeing some patterns: which content gets clicks, which platforms convert best, which headlines or formats grab attention. And that insight helps you create smarter, faster, and it stops you from guessing. And just as importantly, it gives you a system, something you can come back to weekly, improve, and even hand off later if you want to scale. At this point, you've seen how simple it can be to set up a clean, AI-powered affiliate business. So here's what I want you to do next. Step 1. Choose one affiliate product from a platform in the PDF resource. Don't spend too long comparing. Just pick something that solves a clear problem. Step 2. Use the same prompts and strategies from this lesson to create one solid piece of content around it. Step 3. Publish it. Share it on one platform where your audience is already hanging out. Step 4. Track it. Use the affiliate tracker template to stay organized and build your system. And step 5. Repurpose and repeat. This is where the leverage really begins. You can use this process over and over for new products, new content formats, or even as a freelance offer for clients. If you are feeling stuck or want feedback, you can post your content or niche idea inside our Discord community. This skill can easily turn into 100 to 1000 USD per month or more with consistency and refinement. So go build your first affiliate income stream, and I will see you in the next lesson.